our project title is all about Smart Sari-Sari Store Customer Notifier. And our team members are Rain Alger Famed and Paul Benji Bunang. So, problem statement. Sari-Sari store owners often miss customer arrivals or struggle with store security during off hours. There is a need for a simple automated system to improve customer service and enhance store security. So, target users or context. Small retail Sari-Sari store owners looking for a low-cost solution to automate customer alerts and improve security. So, the microcontroller and components to be used are
we use the PIR, the ultrasonic sensor, the LCD, the buzzer, the LED lights, and the battery and the switch. So let's discuss something about work. So for example, this is the customer.
customer, siguro ang Paul.
The customer is si Paul.
Mo arrive si Paul.
Arrive si Paul. So, okay, on na siya. So, ang sistema ni is pwede siya ma-modify based sa imong kalay na ma-detect. Pwede siya pila ka centimeter or meters. So, ang naka-program ni is I think 3 centimeter o 2. Ito, no? Kung pwede ito siya ma-configure o ma-modify. So, ako siyang tryan. So, ito. Ganyan mo na. Igo sa mga ito. And that's very simple, right? Then, pwede na siya modify from about dito. Then, for example, if may customer na mapalit ito doon, hindi mo na siya mabasa. That's all. Thank you.
Atras.